As the gentle warmth of spring unfolds, there's a quiet invitation to refresh our homes with beauty that feels both nostalgic and enduring. Rustic Mayday decor captures that essence perfectly, blending nature's charm with vintage simplicity. In this video, we'll explore how to welcome spring with touches that feel timeless, creating spaces that are warm, inviting, and filled with soft seasonal magic. Rustic Mayday decor is rooted in simplicity, natural materials, and a deep appreciation for handmade beauty. It celebrates imperfections, weathered wood, faded fabrics, and antique accents that tell stories. This style doesn't chase trends, instead, it embraces a slower, more meaningful way of decorating, where every piece feels intentional and connected to nature's gentle rhythm. Spring's rustic charm comes alive through muted, earthy tones. Think soft creams, sage greens, dusty blues, and pale blush hues that mirror blooming gardens and fresh meadows. These colors create a calming backdrop, allowing your decor to feel cohesive and serene. Layering these tones in textiles, florals, and accessories helps build a harmonious, timeless atmosphere. One of the most defining elements of rustic decor is texture. Woven baskets, linen fabrics, burlap accents, and raw wood surfaces bring depth and authenticity to your space. These tactile elements add warmth and character, making your home feel lived in and welcoming, rather than overly styled or artificial. Adding vintage pieces is essential for achieving a timeless Mayday look. Antique pictures, old wooden crates, and weathered picture frames instantly infuse your space with history and charm. These items don't have to be perfect. Their worn edges and faded finishes are what make them special and unique. Florals are at the heart of Mayday decor. Mix fresh blooms like daisies, tulips, and wildflowers with dried lavender or eucalyptus for a balanced, rustic arrangement. Display them in mason jars, enamel pitchers, or glass bottles to enhance the vintage aesthetic while celebrating the beauty of spring. A rustic Mayday wreath is a beautiful way to greet the season. Crafted from twigs, greenery, and soft florals, These wreaths can be hung on doors, walls, or windows. The handmade quality adds a personal touch, making your decor feel heartfelt and genuine. Layering soft textiles like knitted throws, linen curtains, and cotton cushions brings comfort into your space. Choose subtle patterns such as florals or stripes to keep the look classic. These cozy elements make your home feel like a peaceful retreat, perfect for enjoying the gentle days of spring. Mayday is a wonderful time to gather with loved ones, and a rustic table setting can make these moments even more special. Use wooden trays, ceramic dishes, and simple linens to create a relaxed yet elegant dining experience. Add small floral arrangements or candles for a soft, inviting glow. Weathered wood is a cornerstone of rustic design. Whether it's a farmhouse table, a distressed shelf, or reclaimed wooden decor, these elements add authenticity and warmth. Their natural imperfections create a sense of history and grounding, making your space feel timeless and connected to nature. Rustic Mayday decor thrives on the connection between indoors and outdoors. Incorporate branches, greenery, and seasonal blooms throughout your home. Even small touches, like a vase of wildflowers or a bowl of fresh herbs, can bring the freshness of spring into your living space. Rather than overwhelming your space, choose a few thoughtful seasonal accents. A small bird figurine, a woven basket filled with flowers, or a delicate garland can gently highlight the spirit of Mayday without feeling excessive. Less truly becomes more in rustic styling. Lighting plays a key role in creating a cozy, timeless atmosphere. Use candles, lanterns, or warm-tone string lights to add a soft glow to your space. This gentle lighting enhances the rustic feel and makes your home feel calm and inviting, especially during the evening hours. Rustic decor embraces creativity and sustainability. Repurpose old items like glass jars, wooden boxes, or vintage tins into decorative pieces. This not only adds character but also gives new life to forgotten objects, making your decor more meaningful and environmentally conscious. Your entryway sets the tone for your home. Add a rustic bench, a woven basket, or a simple floral arrangement to greet guests with warmth. A handmade wreath or a vintage sign can further enhance the inviting charm, making every arrival feel special. Layering is key to achieving a rich, rustic look. Combine different textures, heights, and materials to create visual interest. For example, stack books, add a small plant, and place a candle on top to create a simple yet beautiful vignette that feels thoughtfully curated. At its core, Rustic Mayday decor is about simplicity. It's not about filling every space, but about choosing pieces that bring joy and calm. This mindful approach allows your home to feel uncluttered, peaceful, and deeply connected to the beauty of the season. Incorporate items that reflect your personality and memories. Family heirlooms, handmade crafts, or collected treasures add authenticity to your decor. These personal touches make your home truly unique and ensure that your rustic style feels genuine and lived in. As spring blossoms around us, embracing rustic Mayday decor offers a beautiful way to celebrate the season with warmth and intention. By blending natural elements, vintage charm, and simple elegance, you can create a space that feels timeless and inviting. Let your home reflect the gentle beauty of spring, where every detail tells a story and every corner feels like a peaceful escape.